delegates get this year. Oh my gosh. This is just like, this is unreal. Unreal. But it keeps getting better. Alright. I think we can all guess what this is. We all know what this is. Look at her. I don't want to wait. I want to put it on. I'm going to put it on. Okay. Figure it out. Ready? For the first time, born Marguerite, Miss Indiana, Collegiate, USA.
My box fit for a queen from MCU, my family. Y'all, I have not received this after I did the pageant, but I received it before, and you can too by signing up. And in this box, I'm going to give y'all a little sneak peek. This is our last year's nationals. So whenever you are a state or a region queen, this is the crown that you will receive, and holy cow, is it not so beautiful? And our nationals crown is quite a bit bigger than this, which is a little crazy, I know, but it's stunning. It's like fitted to your head, and it has green stars. So if you want to upgrade your crown a little, go ahead and win. But you all have a wonderful chance to win, and wearing this beautiful crown and a beautiful sash.
Dancing through the rhythm like there's no tomorrow.
Oh my god.
From highs to lows, I'm embracing the sadness. Life is full of twists and turns, you know it's true. But when unexpected surprises arise, I wait.
I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I've been waiting for this. This is so pretty. Oh my god, the material, the color. I've been imagining this, but now that's in real life, it's... Thank you so much. I'm so excited. This is so cute. I'm so excited to be a part of the MCU family. Okay, now. So glad that's nice and wrapped. Oh my goodness, the crown is so beautiful. So here's the crown, look at all the rhinestones.